Tee-Lor-Su with 49 เมืองไทยเมืองยิ้ม Member Meeting Activity. Today, there are 64 members traveling by vans. We traveling at night and arrive in the morning at Umphang, and this is accommodation, Budoi campsite and resort. With Kundarong Kampi, the owner of this place. He said that coming to Tee-Lor-Su should come in raining season and winter. This resort also has the service to take our tourists to many places. And now our members are ready to go to see Thi-Lo-Su Waterfall. Now, Thi Lo Su Waterfall locates in the Umphang Wildlife Preserving District Responsibility Area. Thi Lo Su Waterfall isn't the national park. It is just the Wildlife Preserving District, which has the strict rules for entering, because they want to protect the forest isn't be harmed by humans. In the past, entering is very hard because we had to raft the bamboo raft and walk in a difficult condition. Then they cut the road to the wildlife preserving district, but it was just a soil road, so in raining season it will corrupt. Now the difficulty become a legend because in 2003 there was the main road improving to be fine road, not much like before. Although the road is fine, but the naturalists still keep following the rule. The road to Tee-Lor-Su will be closed in rainy season and open again in November. Entering to see the waterfall don't allow to take any foods, snacks, and water bottles. Every stop has to put at the inspecting spot, so it makes Tee-Lor-Su Waterfall still clean without any garbage. Now I'm arriving at administration, so we have to walk to see the waterfall. Thi Lo Su Waterfall locates in the Umphang Wildlife Preserving Area, Umphang District, Tak Province, far from the district administration about 3 kilometers. Tee-Lor-Su is the Korean tribe language, means black waterfall. Its characteristic is the large limestone mountain waterfall located on the high cliff, from the sea level about 900 meters. Water source from Tee-Lor-Su. The water flow from the high cliff flow heavy all year long. The width of the waterfall is about 500 meters. Flow levelly, high about 300 meters, surrounded with abundant virgin forest. It is the sixth of the largest waterfall in Asia. Thi Lo Su Waterfall source from Tee-Lor-Su creek flows from the west side of forest close to Myanmar boundary. The whole water line flows down from the high cliff in the middle of the deep forest of Thung Yai Forest in Umphang district, Tak province. It is the large waterfall named Tee-Lor-Su, high 300 meters. When the beauty and great scenery of Thi Lo Su Waterfall appears to tourist eyes, which make it get more famous in a short time. But it's regrettable that the great Thi Lo Su in the past, some was lost because of the corrupting of the cliff from the heavy rain continuing in many days. It contains too much quantity of the water, so the cliff couldn't take the weight and corrupt, which happened for a long time. Although the cliff corrupt for 2 times, but the beauty of Thi Lo Su still remains, which beauty enough for tourists to touch once in a lifetime. Thi Lo Su Waterfall is talked as the very beautiful waterfall, and it will especially beautiful in raining season between 1st June to 31st November. There more quantity of the water will make more quantity in the river, which will make the waterfall lie bigger than other seasons. But at that time, the road is closed for safe for the tourists and protect the way. Tourists can avoid this route by come with water touring agency, which will come by rubber boat and walk passing the forest about 12 kilometers. But if you come in winter, so summer, between 1st December to 31st May, you can come by car to the waterfall. So this is the most suitable time for coming here, both one-day trip or stay overnight.